this video, I will explain you how to create Instructor application form. First, you need to click Add-on, Cliffy Form, and then Load Form Template. You can search Instructor application form, and then click the template and load selected template. You can check the dashboard, responses, question, and the settings too. After you refresh the page, click Cliffy Form and then Get Link. After that, you can click Continue, and then go to your account. Click Advanced and then go to Cliffy Form, and then just click Allow. After you get the link like this, just copy it and paste it into your search engine. So now the form is ready to use. You can also edit the questions. For example, I want to insert a new row. Like for the question type, I use radio button, and for the question text, I use, for example, gender, and then I fill the if option, male or female. So it will show like this. You can also change the question type into text area for a long description, for example, for address. So it will be shown like this. You can also delete the row if you don't use it anymore, so it will disappear instantly. Also, you can change the background color of your form from gray, for example, into blue. So it will change like this. And for the title, you can change the mark behavior, so it will stuck like this. Thank you.